Hello everyone, it's Michael again. Welcome to this Java beginner playlist. In this series, we are going to learn Java step by step, starting from the very basic and gradually building up to important real world programming concepts. So, this playlist is designed for beginners, students, or anyone who wants to understand Java clearly without feeling overwhelmed. And instead of putting everything in one long video, we'll break each topic into shorter video clips so you can focus on one concept at a time. And also you can practice and understand, um, you can understand it properly before moving to the next video or the next lesson. So in this playlist, we'll be covering Java syntax. We're going to cover the basic programming structure, so um, you have an understanding of how Java programming is written. Also, we'll speak about variables, data type, and operators. So you can actually store values, work with numbers, text, and also you can perform calculation. Also, we'll look into conditions and loops also. So that you can actually have a program that can make a decision on its own and also repeat tasks every single time. You call on that particular maybe method that you have it or whatever it is. We also speak about method. Talking about method, we're going to speak about method and parameters, so you can actually write reusable and organized code. We speak about array and strings, so you can work with list of datas and text. Also, we're going to actually talk about object-oriented programming. So if you remember in the previous video, I spoke about object-oriented programming, so which is one of the most important part of Java. And we will also cover classes, object, inheritance, polymorphism, so that you can actually understand how professional Java applications are structured. And then we will move into exception handling, file handling, collections, also useful building Java classes that developer use in real world projects. By the end of this playlist, you will actually have a solid foundation uh, in Java, and you will be ready to start building real application and solving coding problem, and prepare you for any Java interview if you decide to choose Java as your pathway going forward in aspect of your career. So make sure you follow the list in the playlist order and practice the example that we're going to be talking about, and also take your time with each video. You don't have to be in a rush, just you can watch it over and over again. And so at this point I'll say let's begin your Java journey. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.